how to turn on or turn off app notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. After click on notification, you will see first option is app notifications. Click on app notifications. You will see app list is here. If you want to turn on or turn off app notification, so select which app you want to turn off notification. So if you want to turn on Bixby notifications, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see app notification is turned off. If you want to turn on app notifications, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see app notification is turned on. You will turn on or turn off app notifications from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off app notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.